BSLK stock analysis and BSLK stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in this space that's done 43,000 videos and has proof of all of that. It's taken me 5 years, but at least I've seen what's printing and what's not. And especially looking at BSLK, it is still not the most bullish thing ever, but it went up 35%. You can see the previous idea that I had, bias wise, I mean, that was the direction, but it kind of took a bit of a later, you know, for me to get that double break confirmation. But with BSLK, I have a lot of receipts, like 3 receipts in the Discord, which is totally fine, fair. And if the price does not show me any sort of like a double break or something like that, then there's just no way that I'm going to be willing to take it further down. You know what I mean? So all I'm doing in the meantime here is I'm just waiting. That's it. It's very simple. So let me know what is your opinion. If you want my exact play and all that good, yeah, just click the first link in the description. 1,200 people already seen it. Continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy.